beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spend so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I will be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
I think it's starting my hand.
Ready?
Welcome to Vlogmas Week 1.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Week 1. Yeah, me at the road. Yeah, and we're just doing a little bit of shopping. This is a bicycle store. Right, so we're doing a little bit of eye shopping. Trix is here as well. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. And I say hi. Trix not like no more. Anyway, we're just in Half a Tree doing a little bit of shopping to see what we want to get for Christmas and stuff like that. Right now I'm going into the discount beauty store. Oh, I see somebody coming here. Oh, hi. You got these? How much are these about these?
This?
Yeah.
This is 2,000.
It's a like wine bottle.
Wine, yeah.
How much for the big like?
This one is 2.
All of them are for 2?
No, this, yeah, is that everything but here?
Some of the prices.
This is for 2 too. This is 1,500. This is 1,500, and this is 2. Men do night shopping. She doesn't shop. Oh, she's a shop. You just shop the other part, which is the best part.
I want the elephant.
The elephant. My elephant. When I grow up like you, I can do it.
When you grow up like me. Alright. Thanks much. Have a good day. Everybody put out stuff for Christmas and stuff. Yeah, so I go in Discount Beauty to get a gel, and they don't like when I vlog inside. They don't like when I vlog inside, so I'm gonna turn the camera off. Bye. Alright guys, so back out from Discount Beauty. Got me a few stuff, not really not much. I just needed some gel and stuff like that. And now honestly I kind of just reached Half a Tree and I'm super hungry. Let's come turn back because I don't know why I tricked stop, but I'm super hungry. I went in there the other day, you know, and they had not much nice stuff, but they said they were getting new stuff. This is a herb store. Yeah, so I'm hungry, and before I can do anything on the road, to be honest with you, and today's a busy day in Half a Tree, they're having some kind of national save the nation prior situation going on in the middle of Half a Tree, so there's loads and loads of traffic, and so I don't know how I'm gonna make my way home because Half a Tree, if one can see over the stuff, is a mess right now. And I don't like to vlog with my camera, but because I'm here with Trix, I'll be feeling brave, you know? I'll be feeling brave. So I think we're going by Wendy's to get something to eat, and then we will talk back sooner guys. I'm gonna kind of put up the camera now because I don't want nobody grab my cam, although I have Trix the bodyguard. I have Trix the bodyguard, so anybody trouble me, you don't know, he got my back. No, me, and me, I know Karachi, so she will chop chop chop. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when I get into Wendy's. So later guys. Mia, tell them later.
Later people.
Not even Christmas yet, and look at Half a Tree ram up. Oh, the Christmas tree. How much you sell the trees for? Yeah.
600 or something. 1200 or something.
I don't know. What do you mean? How much feet is
this? Is a 6 foot. Okay, 1200 by the foot times the 6 by the 12. Yeah. That's 7 grand. Times that smaller one?
Yeah, smaller one than
yeah,
this?
Man. You can't get a 4 foot, you can't get a 5 foot.
Guys, I want to buy a Christmas tree.
You want?
They have the natural trees out here.
Good boy.
And if you don't want Christmas tree, natural Christmas tree, come out to Offer Tree right in front of the Burger King, where the True Value is. You guys can get your Christmas tree here. I bought one last year and it was really good. Hold on, guys, I soon come back to it. Guys, look at half a tree. Half a tree is a mess. Look. And this is the new mall, guys, that they built. It's looking pretty fancy. Fancy. Look there. Oh my god. Wait, Mia. Look ahead. Look where you're going. We're at Wendy's. And we're gonna get some food. See, we're gonna get some food here. Where you want to? We get some food because I'm hungry and there's no way I'm walking in half a tree with this hungry stomach. It's not happening. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So guys, we got some food. We got burgers, chicken sandwiches, and of course everything with fast food restaurants. So I shouldn't be having this, but Lord knows I'm hungry, and I'm just gonna have to work extra hard in the gym to take it off. No, I'm real over there.
Eating bacon for a long time.
So we devoured the food. I had a chicken sandwich. I don't even know if I showed you guys what I was having. Everybody else had a hamburger. I don't eat burgers, so I had a chicken sandwich. What did I have?
I ate a bacon cheeseburger. Delicious.
Excuse you. So everybody's done and we're gonna get back on the mall and check in again with them later. Ask that tall man.
You know what
Alright guys, so we just left Wendy's. And we're still walking on the mall. Guys, the mall is so beautiful. Look what I'm fixing to. So nice. This man go around by True Value. Most of the stores are closed by now because it kind of late. Yes. You want to go now? Come on. Come in. Can come right there, but I don't know if we can take camera in there. So let me just close it off and chance it while I'm in there. So call you and talk to you there. Guys, look at me. Oh, look at me, yeah. Oh, look at me, yeah. Oh, look at me. Alright guys, we just left out of Amor. Didn't get nothing. Oh my god. How are you?
You went in there?
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna see.
Where's Mia? Alright guys, so we just left the Brooklyn supermarket. I just got a few stuff, not much. I'm intending to do my Christmas shopping next week, and in there was too full anyway, so I could bother. Kind of going home now. They're loading on the stuff in the car. Oh, the day was just so long. Alright guys, so we are day 2, and now we're going to meet the man that is going to kick my butt. Yeah, I'm on the same shirt, it's clean both, but different ties, different shoe, all that ish. So, man of the hour.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Tariq, and we are here at Lifestyle Fitness, and today we're about to do legs. So prepare to be sore and your glutes tight. So we're going right now to the abductor machines. Let's go! Abduction. We're going to adjust the weight to our right foot, and we're going to squeeze. You're going to feel the tension in right hand.
Alright.
So, wow.
Cool, Lord. Ready up?
So we're going to force warm up first, 20. And after that, we're doing 4 sets of 20. Alright, so next we're going to move to the leg extension. So hold this for a second.
Alright. Look at tricks. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, tricks.
Leg extension, right? Going to 3 sets of 20.
3 sets of 20.
So you don't want no big muscular arms.
No, multiple little areas.
Alright. That's Chester. Alright, Chester.
Could never be. Imagine me lifting these with my legs, guys. That's for Hercules. Ugh. Yes. I gotta start trimming down these nails because it's not gonna work for gym at all. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Gonna get this workout popping.
So the next day today, she's looking good, feeling good.
It's hard. Very hard. Look at me sweating.
Why? You are sweating up.
Yeah?
So we'll see her next time.
No, Tiana Taylor. Okay, guys, get it right. Tiana Taylor.
I actually follow Tiana Taylor on Instagram.
Yes. Yes. This is how dirty I got today. Ain't no shame in the game. This is all sweat. And I did some legs today. It was hard. I'm not gonna be wearing these ties anymore because they don't absorb sweat. So yeah. Anyways, see you guys later. Morning, guys. I'm in Mia's room, which is an absolute mess. Just got her ready for school, and I realized that I didn't really close the vlog, so I decided that this morning I would be closing the vlog. I'm gonna have to clean this mess up when she goes to school, because God knows. That's Mia.
Good morning.
Turn the lights on. She's having her breakfast. Just one of those little quick meal stuff, the fast goals. I like to get these because it's a little bit convenient. In sometimes in the mornings I don't have to do a lot of stuff. I just pour some water on it and it's ready to go. Anything you want, Samia?
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning to everyone. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to work also. I'm not showing my face because it's an absolute mess, but I'm going to work a little bit later, so I'll talk to you guys. Alright guys, so it's, I don't know, probably 8:30 or so. I'm having a bit of breakfast, just made some eggs, and this is the healthy brown bread. I'm not sure, but it has raisins and cinnamons and all that stuff in it. And I'm drinking a cup of cinnamon tea, and that's my breakfast. After my breakfast, I'm gonna go get ready for work. All right, hi guys, what's up? So This is me trying to close my vlog right now because I didn't do so after the whole supermarket and stuff, but I have a few things I want to talk to you about before I close the vlog. Now, if you're from Jamaica, you've probably been hearing about the whole new ID. You've probably been hearing about the whole new ID thing, NDI and ID. I'm not even sure what the fuck it's called, to be honest with you, and I may sound arrogant when I'm talking about this because I really do feel like a lot of effery is going on in my country right now, and us as a people, most of us have no clue as to why some of these things are happening. We all know, like, I don't even want to discuss this kind of thing on this platform because I may offend people, because I have really strong opinions about some of these things that are happening, and I don't really think this is the medium for me to discuss such things. So what I want to ask you guys, maybe I'll do it on Snapchat, maybe I'll do a few videos on my Snapchat just talking about this kind of thing. What I want to know from you guys though is, what do you guys really think about the NID card, NDI card, whatever it's called, this new card system that they're saying is mandatory for every citizen of Jamaica to have, and if you don't have this card, you'll be charged a fine of $100,000. If you don't have this card, you'll not be able to use services like the hospitals and stuff like that. I really want to know, like, what do you guys, because maybe I don't have enough information about this, maybe I don't know, maybe I need to do a little bit more research before I even say anything. But I've been doing my research, and so far I just really think, I don't even want to say what I think. But let me know what you guys think about this. Let me see, maybe we can have a discussion in my comment section. I mean, it's really annoying, some of the things that's happening in my country these days. But anyway guys, just please be safe throughout this Christmas holidays. Each and every one of you, my subscribers and your families, just try to be safe. That's all I can say. Follow your heart, follow your mind. If your heart and your mind tell you not to go somewhere, just don't go, don't force it, you know, because so many things are happening in our society today, in the world today. I mean, all I'm seeing on my social medias are RIPs and SIPs, and it's pretty sad, you know. It's pretty sad. It's like people don't fear God no more, and I think us too, as younger generations and younger people with voices, we should start speaking up more about some of these issues that are going on in society. We should, everybody can, it's gonna take a lot of time, and it's gonna take more than just one person to make a difference in this world. But if we all unite as a people and try to let our voices be heard, I believe that if we do this, if we unite, we can make a difference. I think the thing with Jamaican people is that we're so much like crabs in barrels, you know. We don't try to uplift each other, we don't try to unite, we don't try to work together. We're not about togetherness. We're more a selfish kind of people, and I'm not really trying to speak ill of my country or of my people, because I love Jamaica. I mean, I love my people, but I just really think we can do more as a people, and it's really gonna start by us coming together, putting our heads together, and just really trying to make a change in this country, because so many things are happening, guys. It's really serious right now, and I think we need to stop saying we don't care, and we need to stop turning a blind eye to a lot of the things that are visible and are obviously in our faces. We need to stop turning a blind eye to these things, because it's our country, and if we don't try to fix what's being broken, it's gonna affect all of us. I mean, each and every one of us. So and we as young people too, we need to try to be more alert and aware and concerned about the things that are happening in our society, in our country, in our world, because it's very important for us to know. I don't want to get too down, and I don't want to make my vlog all down and stuff, but I think this is something that I really wanted to say, because this is a platform that I can share something like this on. But I don't want to get too detailed and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think about the new card system that will be implemented in, or that they say will be implemented in our country. And yeah, let's start a discussion in the comment box below. I really want to know more about this. If you guys have more information you can share with me on this, please let me know. I really want to, you know, keep posted with the things that are happening with this thing. I really want to know. So yeah, be safe guys. This is where I'm gonna close the vlog off. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and families. Hopefully they'll enjoy it and will subscribe as well. I still will be doing my giveaway, guys. I just want to get some more subscribers and throw it out there. It will be something good, so please be subscribed so that you can get a chance to get this, to be a part of possibly winning something or getting something. Anything else I want to say before I go? I have my jersey shirt on, by the way, today. And what had happened is why my face is all done up is because I was initially supposed to go to work, and all kinds of shit happened, and I'm not at work today. I'm home, but I'm gonna take a bit of this makeup off, and I think what I'm gonna do today is do a makeup tutorial, because I haven't done one of those in a very long time. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a holiday slay or something. I don't know, but I ain't taking these brows off because I intend to do them again. So if anything, you guys can look out for that. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Love you, mi amors. See you in my next vlog. Vlogmas week 2 happen next week. Love y'all.